Hello captains, welcome back to another video. And so today we are doing unboxing. There is, or there should be, 5 models in this box. So yeah, I'll do it in 5 parts, each part dedicated to each model. I do have a specific order that I'll do it in. But yes, so these are the models basically, as I said, will come. There's 4 1-400 and 1 1-500 scale. I thought the box would be a bit bigger. To be honest, yes, there's 5. Okay. There's 2. 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, there's no pay. It's not like the invoice sheet thing, but there usually is. So these are the 5 models. Okay, we'll do it in each separate part. So today in part 1, we are unboxing the Queen of the Skies, but not from a normal usual airline that you would expect, but Iraqi Airways. Now, Iraqi Airways is one of the forgotten 747 operators, but they did have quite a few of them. They also, I believe, had some 747 SPs, so the special performance. But yeah, now they don't have any 747s. They do have some 737s, 777s, A310s, No, sorry, I'm thinking of Iran. They have some 737s and I think 1 777. But yeah, at the top we have the Boeing 747 titles, the photo of the plane. This had a 5-star review, that's why I bought it, and it looked good. 1-400 registration, Yankee India Dash Alpha Sierra Alpha. Iraqi Airways here. This will be good for Dubai, Mulu Airport. There we go. This is Phoenix, if you haven't noticed yet. 1-400, of course. There we go. As I said, not the 747 carrier that you might expect, but still, it's Queen of the Skies. My first 747-400, I believe, because I do have the Dash 200 from Ansett, but I did want another one. So that's like an older model, the Ansett. Okay. Nice. This is good. This is nice. Hang on. Right. Oh, good. I thought there was a paint defect, but no, there isn't. Let's zoom it in. It doesn't seem broken, so that's good. Right then, we have the cockpit windows on the upper deck, then the nose, the section that stretches out of the cockpit. On every 747 you have a section in front of the cockpit a little bit. We have the, I believe this is Iraqi Airways or something, I don't know Arabic. Iraqi titles there, the little probes, bottom boarding, all the main gear. Sorry, I'll just adjust the camera. We have the L2 door, the door on the upper deck, 2 engines, airline logo on the wingtip, the green lines going all the way. Registration was again Yankee India Dash Alpha Sierra Alpha. I'll put the information right here about the display, what's happening to it now. We have the airline logo on the tail of the flag of the country. And on the other side, it's the same, just the cargo holds there. Now the bottom, you have your nose gear door, Phoenix, the main landing gear, hole for the stand. No APU door, yes there is. Little detail for the APU door. Antennas. Very nice model, I must say. I can see why it had a 5-star review. But yeah, thank you for watching part 1. Maybe an unusual plane to have. But thank you for watching part 1, and I see you in part 2. Goodbye.